Here we have verse 14 of the 10th chapter of the Gospel of John. We're in the midst of a conversation in which Jesus continues to distinguish himself in the metaphor of the sheep and the shepherd, distinguishing himself from those who are inferior. He distinguished himself, first of all, from thieves and robbers, who, of course, climb in by a back door. They climb over the fence. They don't have any legitimate claim to be there. And, of course, Jesus' not too thinly veiled critique is being lodged against the religious leaders, who really don't amount to much more than that kind of malicious attitude toward those who are the sheep of the pasture. Here he has now adjusted it somewhat and also distinguishes himself from the hired hand, who may not have a malevolent attitude toward the sheep, but is just there for a paycheck. And again, in that case, this particular person, if there's an evident threat, is probably going to escape and not stay to be of first-hand help to the sheep who are left, therefore, to the peril. But now Jesus comes back to a discussion of his own status. Ego eimi, I am. As we've mentioned before, the somewhat clear allusion to the Septuagint reference to the name of God. I am Yahweh. In this case, I am the Good Shepherd. Ego eimi. Ho, the nominative, singular, masculine article. The poimen. Poimen is the word for shepherd. It's a masculine noun, first declension. Nominative here. I am the shepherd, ho kalos, the good one. Nominative, of course, because this is the predicate nominative, which the verb eimi will take. So I am the good shepherd. He's repeated what he said before, and now continuing, kai, the connective, gnosko. This is the verb gnosko, first person singular, present active indicative, I know. And the word usually means to know in the sense of a personal acquaintance, to know someone personally as opposed to knowing some kind of data, like knowing the Pythagorean theorem or something like that. So I know, ta, ema. This is the adjective and the accusative here used substantively. I know the of my own ones would be the general idea of I know those that belong to me. And then kai, the same connective, gnoskousi. This is the same word, gnosko, but now the third person plural, present active indicative. And they know me, pronoun here in the accusative. So I know the of me ones, and they know me. And then ta ema, identical in form to here, but in this case it's the nominative, so it serves as the subject of the verb gnoskousi. So the of me ones also know me. So I'm the good shepherd, and I have a bond, I have a connection, a personal relationship with those who belong to me, who are my sheep. They know me, I know them. Puts himself in a completely different class from either thieves and robbers on the one hand or even hired hands on the other. A unique kind of status, a unique relationship between sheep and shepherd.